So you've made your first fermentation of kombucha, and it's ready for its second fermentation to make it flavorful and fruity and fizzy. Things you can add, and these are other things you can add, I'll get to them later. But the cheapest thing you can do probably is banana. First of all, let me say, people say you can add juice, but if you add fruit puree, not only are you using real raw ingredients, they work better. They ferment better, they're sweeter, they will ferment faster, and it's actually kind of cheap if you use real fruit, depending what you buy, of course. So I want to say mango and pineapple, either together or separately, make the tastiest second ferment for your kombucha. They will also ferment very quickly because they have a high sugar content. I don't have pineapple right now, but I do have my favorite, mango, which I've already put into the blender. I had some leftover grapes, and sometimes I get a little tart. So I threw them in there because the tart ones will just get so mixed in, the sweetness of the mango would take over. These are fresh strawberries, I wish, blueberries from my garden, and all this together just tastes absolutely delicious. You can do them separately or together. Any fruit combination I've done so many. I've made over 200 bottles of kombucha, and everything I've done is just very tasty. But mango is my favorite. And so if I can get you to try anything, try the mango, because you definitely want something to taste really good at first because you want to keep making this. And then my next video will talk about these items and why you would benefit from putting them into your kombucha. You don't have to. They're just added things that you could put into your kombucha to make it even better. God bless and Godspeed healing to all.